Here at the Bradley Law Firm, we try to protect your rights, to defend what's yours, but the right way. Today we're talking about the Castle Doctrine. I know this is something that everyone talks about, and that word's thrown around quite a bit. Well, what does it mean here in Louisiana? So let's say someone is imminently breaking into your house, breaks down the door, is actually in your house. Can you get your gun and shoot them? At that point, you're covered if they have broken in. Now, let's say you're at the top floor, you hear some rustling outside, there's someone potentially breaking into your car. Can you shoot them from your window and they haven't broken into your house? So that's more of what I would call a protection of property. No one's in imminent danger. However, what if they had a gun? And what if you heard them say, well, we're going to break into the house and kill them? That changes things. So as you can see, this is a very fact-intensive defense that needs to be sort of borne out and really dug into during trial and presented to the district attorney even before trial. You have to reasonably believe that you or someone in your immediate vicinity is in great bodily harm or imminent death. And if though that is the fact, then you do have the right to use deadly force, but you have to make sure that you do it the right way, because inevitably you'll have the DA that comes in and charges you, and you don't want to be in such a situation where they've broken in, you've pulled your gun, they run away, and then you chase them outside the house, maybe down the street, and then fire. That is a situation where it changes from no longer an immediate harm, and now you could be charged with manslaughter. So remember, this is a very difficult and tricky situation, and a lot of times you only have milliseconds to act. So make sure you have your plan ahead of time to know what you're going to do in those situations. When you think deadly force is in your right under the Castle Doctrine, and maybe when you think it isn't, have that set out ahead of time to make sure that you don't make that mistake. If any of this happens, give us a call at the Bradley Law.